Making your own picture frames is one of the most common ways that people find themselves getting into woodworking, and I can tell you that 10 years down the line, I still find it to be one of the most rewarding things that I do, because now not only can I admire the pictures and the images that are within the frames, but I can admire the frame itself and the effort and the handiwork that I put into making it. But making your own picture frames comes with its own challenges, cutting miters accurately, clamping it all together and such. And so we've started focusing on creating systems to make picture frame making more accessible and easier, which is where this comes in. So this is our basic frame clamping system. And in this box, you've got 4 corner blocks, 4 thumb wheels, and then 4 washers in here. And these are all joined together using threaded rods, which are then tightened around your picture frame to clamp the miters closed and keep everything square. And this is part of what we've called the frame clamping system, which is what you see surrounding me here. And this is eventually what you can expand it to. But starting with this. This comes in 5 different sizes: small, medium, large, extra large, and max. That basically relates to the length of threaded rod that we supply with the kits. The small and the medium come with 300 and 500 millimeter rods if your frames are just going to be that big. But if you're going to be doing bigger ones, you might want to go for the large and the extra large kits, because that includes these things called connectors, which allows you to join multiple rods together to give you longer lengths. Now you might be asking why we don't just supply longer rods to start with. Well, the reason is twofold. Firstly, it makes shipping a lot cheaper. If we break those rods down into shorter lengths, then you don't have to pay for shipping a meter-long rod, especially if you're overseas or something. It can massively increase the price. But secondly, perhaps more importantly to you during use, if you buy a large or an extra large kit, it means that you can break those longer rods down into shorter lengths, which means that if you suddenly need to do a smaller frame, you're not having to work with these big cumbersome rods, and instead now you've got the option of using a longer rod or a shorter rod by simply taking out the connector and rejoining the frame together. So for that reason, we tend to recommend that people start with the large kit, because in that you'll get 300 millimeter rods, which is the same as the small kit. You'll get 500 millimeter rods, which is the same as the medium kit, and you'll get a connector, so you can join them together to create your large kit. So it's the most versatile, but if you are adamant that you are going to only be doing large frames, that's where our max system comes in, which is a solid 1 meter rod of M10 A2 stainless steel with much larger corner blocks, which just makes it perfect for clamping up your large frames. And I should say with any of these, we supply them as hardware only as well. So if you want to go out there and source your own custom length rods, you can do that. You can just buy the corner blocks, thumb wheels, and washers in this kit, and then you're off to the races. So that's how the basic picture framing kit works and all of the sizes associated with that. And I should be clear that we do these in any shape, ranging from a triangle all the way up to an octagon. You can buy those in individual kits like this, or if you want to get a fully comprehensive system, or you're not quite sure what shapes you want to clamp up, that's where the full Monty comes in. So in this kit, you got triangles, pentagons, hexagons, heptagons, or septagons, depending on where you're from, and octagons down the bottom here. You've also got 4 joiner bars to join rods together to give you your longer lengths. And then along the top here, we've got 3 lots of 4-sided blocks. Now the reason we include 3 sets of these is because with this kit, we supply 12 rods. And those 12 rods can mean that you can clamp up 3 picture frames at exactly the same time, which is helpful for batch production rather than just being stuck with 1 set of clamps like this. It also gives you enough rods to obviously clamp up an octagon and technically a 4-sided block at exactly the same time. The other advantage to having 12 rods is because we also include these things, which are called stackers. And this basically allows you to clamp all 3 of these sets on top of each other, which means you can clamp together boxes up to about 100 millimeters or 4 inches in height. You could also break that down to do boxes about 2.5 inches in height as well, and then you've got a leftover one if you want to do a picture frame on the side of it. So this kit gives you a fully comprehensive introduction to the frame clamping system, and it's quite fun because it encourages you to start experimenting with weird shaped frames. Like, who'd ever thought that doing a heptagon frame would be a good idea? I don't know, but with this you can do it very easily. The other thing we include in here is this thing called the spinny majig, which is basically a thing that goes in a cordless drill and lets you tighten up these thumb wheels with rapid speed, which is very helpful when you're clamping up a box with 12 thumb wheels to tighten up. This thing is a lifesaver, and we actually recommend wrapping a elastic band around the top of it just to give you a little bit of extra grip with it. So that's the full Monty kit. It obviously comes in this lovely foam-lined case to make sure that you've got everything safe and organized and you don't accidentally mix up your blocks. But if you're adamant that you're only going to be clamping together mitered boxes and you're not really interested in clamping together hexagons and heptagons and all that, that's where this might be of interest to you, which is our box makers kits. And this will save you a little bit of money because now you're not having to purchase all of these weird angled corner blocks that you're not going to use. And instead, you're just going to get the stuff that you need, which is all of the right angle blocks and all of the stackers required to clamp up boxes ranging anywhere from 63 millimeters, which is 2.5 inches, all the way up to 150 millimeters, which is about 6 inches. Although that said, if you want to keep stacking above that, you can buy multiple kits and just join them on top of each other. It's technically infinite, but the nice additional thing about these box makers kits is you don't need to use the stackers. If you're batch producing picture frames, which is something that a lot of people do anyway, you've got 3 sets of corner blocks here. So just use the rods and the corner blocks to now clamp up, in this case, 3 picture frames at exactly the same time. But just to reiterate, this system is completely modular. Like I said, we recommend starting with this, ideally the large kit, because that gives you the most versatility in terms of clamping sizes of frames. But if you want to just jump in and get cracking with doing some fun stuff, the full Monty is definitely the one to go for. Or if you're more focused on producing boxes or batch producing picture frames, one of the box makers kits is probably the way you want to go. Alternatively, if you have a very specific requirement in mind for this frame clamping system, let's say you want to clamp together hexagon boxes and create a box maker's kits for hexagons, drop us a message, because we're a small enough business that we can make bespoke kits like this for you. So we could do a hexagon kit in a box like this with all of the stackers and thumb wheels required to do so. That's not obviously listed on our website, but if it is a requirement of yours, just let us know and we'll get you a quote. So that's the frame clamping system. Links to all of these products are in the description below. And if you've got any questions, just drop us a message via our website. Thanks for watching.